Hey guys, Tec Timmy here again. Today I am going to be unboxing the Alphasonik Decor Smart Table. It comes with a Bluetooth speaker, a charger for your smartphone built in, which is really cool. So I'm dying to get this thing out of the box, get it set up in my living room, and I'm also hoping to get it integrated with Amazon Alexa. I will do a separate video of the configuration process and so forth. But so for now, we're just going to take it out of the box and let's see if we can't see how difficult it is to put together. And if it looks straightforward, we'll do it live. Or recorded, or yeah, let's do this. So I guess I cheated a little bit because I already opened the outside box here. So we have a box within a box. Interestingly, I ordered the black model, and I see here that this picture, at least on the packaging, seems to have a cherry finish. And yeah, so this is not, doesn't look like the one that I ordered. So hopefully I've got the black one in the box. If not, this is going to go back, and I'll want to swap it out for the black one because to match the decor in my living room. But yeah, so let's get this guy out of the box. Not break it before we get it open. That's it. Okay. Bear with me. A little snug in the Amazon box here, the outer box. Okay. So, encouragingly, it looks like we do have on the side of the box the various models that or colors that the table comes in. I will include a link in the description to each one. My thought is that I would have the piano black one in my living room, but I also want to get one in either the walnut or the maple for my bedroom. I haven't decided yet. White might be a little too feminine for me, I think, but that's just me. So yeah, so I have my trusty Ninja unboxing knife here. I'm hoping that I don't have to use it. It makes me grumpy when I do have to use it. So hopefully we'll be able to get this thing out of the box without any assistance from that knife. In terms of the box itself, again, so we've got it looks like the picture of the wrong model on the front. In fact, I don't even see one that looks like that over here, which is interesting. It's got kind of a red tinge to it. Maybe they just did that for the design of the box. And then we just looked at that panel and similar kind of an off color look on the back. Okay, cool. So enough to do with the box. And we have one of these little gazintas here that annoy me. I am going to use my trusty unboxing knife to get rid of that. Remove the gazinta, and let's open it up and see what we got. Oh yeah, this is really on. Oh, I see. So there are two flaps here in the front. So we don't want to rip it, obviously, in case it does need to go back. We've got the wrong color or something. I'm hoping that it's the black one. Please be black. Please be black. Okay, so now the styrofoam here, it looks like it goes all the way. Yeah, it runs all the way to the bottom. So I'm gonna put this on its side. Throw caution to the upside down and see what we got. Okay, and as I said, we got empty box now. Oh, you probably can't see that. There you go. So the box is totally empty except for what was inside here, the styrofoam. And it does run the length of the thing. And it looks encouraging. Looks like we got the black one here, Tim. Yay! All right. So instruction manual, of course, and included in here we have. Let's just see what we have. We have our instruction booklet. And we have it looks like a power cord. And we also have a male-to-male audio cable. And we will see what that's about. And then I'm going to just set the instructions aside for a moment. Actually, let's see if they give us an overview of the different parts. Let's see. So the instructions look nice, but basic, and there is no parts list, so I'm going to, we'll figure out what's called the parts here in just a second. Okay, so leg number 1, leg number 2, and leg number 3. So there are only 3 legs with this table, which I like the look of it, as you'll hopefully see in a few minutes here. So I'm just going to take these out, and my understanding is that it's a very simple, you screw the legs into the bottom of the table installation, and then you're good to go. So we'll do that here for you today. I'm just going to set the legs right down alongside the styrofoam box here. Sitting on top looks like part number 2, or piece number 2 of the power cord. I'm going to set this aside as well for a moment. And then we are going to lift up the styrofoam top piece. And there it is. It actually looks kind of like a slightly bit, looking at it in the box, it looks like a slightly larger version of a robot vacuum that I just bought, which is the Eufy 15C. But, oh yeah, look at this. It's very, very nice and sturdy and heavy. And then along the top, my understanding is that this is the charge. This is for where you place your phone to have it charge automatically. It looks like there's some sort of a Bluetooth meter indicator on the top of the table as well, which is cool. More plastic around the side. I actually got a little nervous at first when I saw over here. There's looks to be a little bit of a scratch, but that's just the way the plastic is bunched up. So I'm going to remove the plastic very gently here. So they have the plastic. Call it tape wouldn't be correct, but the plastic is on here like a piece of tape. So it's attached to the top of the table, and look at that. Look at how nice and sleek that is. I love black. I love black furniture. Have a black couch. Well, anyway, actually, maybe my couch is more gray. I'm colorblind for the most part, which is why I do like black. So yeah. So in terms of the tabletop, all around the side is the Bluetooth speaker. And there are 10, it's either tweeters or woofers inside there. And then, how cool is that? On the front, there's actually you have your controls that are stitched into the speaker mesh, which is really, really neat. So it looks like we've got on off. Hold on, bear with me just one second. On off, play and pause, volume down, and volume up, and not wild that they put their logo on the side of it, but hey, this is going to be one cool looking table, I think. So okay, so now next I'm going to set up. There we go. Let's get this in focus a little better for you. I'm going to screw in the legs, and as I had said previously, so it looks like there's just I don't know if you call that a screw. This would be the screw, right? There's a hole here where you basically just screw it in. You screw in the legs. Nice, and it couldn't be easier. And that's what I like. I do not like complex assemblies of anything. It's interesting that I'm kind of having to force it a little bit so the threads aren't, well, that's just exactly how it goes. So that's how it works. The threads don't feel smooth going in, which I don't love that, but hey, we're getting the legs on. And once the table is stood up, I'm sure it will be perfectly fine. I just don't want to overdo it because I don't want to hurt the bottom of the table in any way here. Okay, and last but not least, we have leg number 3. So we'll get this in, and then I'll stand it up, and we'll take a look at the finished product here. Oh yeah. Okay. So yeah, again, they don't really screw in as elegantly as you would like them to, at least as I would like them to, but hey. All right, set this aside for now. I'm going to remove the other piece of styrofoam, get it out of our way, and then I am going to remove the little bag and get it out of our way, and I'm going to stand this guy up, and there's the logo, and give you a look at what it looks like from the top here. And then last but not least, what I'll do is we will set that right on top of the table. Why not? Now that I have a table. I've gone without a side table forever. So I'm very excited to start using this. Particularly, again, the Bluetooth speaker, my understanding is it sounds really, really nice. And I want to pair it with my Amazon Echo setup here, so that I can, I'm hoping I can get it on my multi-room music group. And I've got several Echoes. Oh, this is, which way does it go here, Tim? I've got several Echoes set up on the group already. There we go. So yeah, I think this is going to be a very nice addition to my audio setup here. So stoked. So we'll plug this in there. It just goes in like that, and then presumably there's a place on the table to stick this guy. So let's see if we can't figure out where that is. And oh, interesting. So it's on the back. So on the back of the table we have some good stuff here. So this is where the input goes. We're just gonna plop that right in there. And then we also have 2 additional USB ports for wired charging. So if you want, you can throw your phone on top of the table, have it charge wirelessly, and you can plug in 2 additional devices using the included USB ports on the side. That is awesome. And then auxiliary, the auxiliary jack here, presumably that's what the audio cable that I showed you before, that would allow you to actually set up an additional external speaker setup in a wired fashion. So that's really cool. My whole speaker configuration is wireless, so I probably won't be using that, but yeah, there you have it. So the unboxing of the Alphasonik Decor smart table. Super excited to start using it, and like I said, I will record an additional video that walks through the process of configuring it using the app, and then maybe even one that shows you how to get it set up with your multi-room music configuration if you've got an Amazon Alexa setup. So that's all for now. If you got some value from this video, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, and then hitting the subscribe button. If you are interested in smart home reviews, I review all manner of smart home technology in conjunction with my blog. www.onesmartcrib.com is my blog, and I hope you will also check that out. I will put links in the description to the 4 different models of coffee table, side tables, and if you wouldn't mind, if you're going to purchase one of these, they are affiliate links, and I will earn a small commission. Appreciate it, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Take care. Ciao for now.